Hello students, welcome back to the Python series. In the previous video we have discussed about the conditional statement symbol if. Now in this video we are going to discuss about the if-else statement. The if-else statement, look at the syntax: if expression, then the full colon, a certain set of statements here, and then else full colon, then another set of statements. This first set of statement means the true set of statements, and after else it is given the false set of statement. So let's see how it works. If condition, if the condition is true, then it executes the true set of statements, and if the condition is false, it executes the false set of statement. After executing the different set of statements, it comes back to the next statement after if. So it is a two-way branching statement. If the depending upon the condition, if it is true in this way and if it is false in this way. So it is a two-way branching statement. Look at this example. If A greater than B, full colon. If A is greater than B, it is printing A is bigger. This is the true block. And if it is not true, that means A is less than or equal to B. If that is the case, it will execute B is greater, B is bigger. Okay, so this is the, based on this condition, it is branching to this area or to this area. So this is the if-else statement. Let's see some examples. Age equals int input age. We are inputting the age, and if the age is greater than or equal to 5 in school, otherwise, that means else, print stay at home. So if the user is inputting the value 4, if the user is inputting the value 4 for that, okay, 4 is inputted. If that is 4, it will check 4 greater than or equal to 5. So 4 is not greater than or equal to 5. So the value is false. So it will give stay at home. Okay, this is the answer. Now next example, Q equals input Python snake. Q, if the user is inputting y or n, in this case it is n, so Q is not y, so else part will be executed. That means this part will be executed. Print good, it is a language. So this will be given as the output. Now let's see two example programs. First one is whether a person is eligible for getting driving license. For getting driving license, the age must be greater than or equal to 18. Then second example is whether a number is even or odd. So let's do those programs. Check whether a person is eligible for getting driving license. For that, definitely age is needed. So we have inputted the age, and let's check the age. If age, just like voting here also, the age must be greater than or equal to 18. Then we are printing yes, you are eligible for getting eligible for getting driving license. So other criteria are also there. Depending upon the age, this is the criteria. You have to pass the eligible for you have to pass the license test and all, but just for doing the program, we are just checking the age and we are saying you are eligible for voting, for getting the driving license. So when we put this colon, automatically this will be intended. I forgot to put the semicolon, full colon, that is why it was not intended. So instead of, in the earlier case when we checked the voting, we used a to if. Here instead of giving to if, we are just using the else part. Okay, else colon. Now we are writing the false part. Okay, of a false part we can just write, make it not. Whenever you gives the message, it must be enclosed within double quotes. You are not eligible for getting driving license. Okay, so we have mentioned the true part and also the false part. Okay, let's run this program. Okay, we are inputting the age. Okay, let it be 16 years. See, you are not eligible for getting driving license. So again, let's run this program. Let's give 90. Yes, you are eligible for getting driving license. Okay, so this is that program. Both the cases we have checked. Now let's do this one. We need to check whether the number is even or odd. So let's input the number. So because we need to input the number, let's convert that to integer. Input, enter the number. Okay, now after inputting the number, let's check this number. What is the condition for checking even or odd? Even odd number, how we determine that? If the number is divisible by 2. That means if we divide the number with 2 and if the remainder is 0, it is even. If the remainder is 1, it is odd. So let's check the even first. Okay, if n, to get the remainder we have modulus operator. So if n modulus 2 is equal to 0, if that is equal to 0, that means the number is even. Otherwise the number is odd. So otherwise you can just say ELSE, else. Okay, just by giving the else we can say the otherwise part, the false part. So simply false part means if that is not 0, that means the number is odd. Okay, so let's make this program. Let's run this program. Let's give a even number first. Okay, now once again let's execute this program, and now I am giving a odd number, so the program is correct. Okay, this is how we execute the program. So this is the if else statement. It have a true part and also the false part. In next video we will cover up the if else, if, elif, ladder and nested if. Thank you.